Happy Halloween! Okay then. That's cool. Merry Chris... Happy Halloween! Okay then, everybody's here. You wanna go trick-or-treating? Yeah. Okay then, anybody else? Okay then, yes. Let's go! Go. I didn't get a costume, so I decided to be me. Because I'm too awesome for anybody. So, it has to be knocked first. I have an idea. Whites. No, blue. I think I'm probably going to have to go with blue. Yes. And then, hey, I had the idea. Oh, I was just sleeping. Yeah. Oh my gosh. Well, here it is. Excuse me. Bluebird's door. They're knocking it. Yes? Trick or treat. Oh, that's pretty fun. Can I join? But you don't have a costume. I'll go as myself. I don't have to trick or treat. Yeah, kind of. But you have to sell candy. Oh yeah, right. Okay, see ya. That was a close one. A couple hours later. Phew. Man, that was something tiring. Hey, come on, guys. Yes, yes. That was super tiring. Someone sent over like 500 houses. Let's go eat this. Hey guys, it's me, Orangebird. Well, basically Mastercraft 901 as the voice of Orangebird. And I just like to say, thanks for watching our Halloween special. Might be the best one that we've done. Might have not been the best one that we've done, except hope you had a good time. So, this is Mastercraft 901, and this was our Halloween special. Bye!